to another project here. I got my F-150. That is a 2018 F-150. I currently have my toolbox pulled down. It took me about 20 minutes to get these stupid things off, which I'm going to be replacing today. I will be installing a mount right here. This cap will be reinstalled and painted this black. I'll have one on the other side, and that will hold my toolbox on. Make it a quick disconnect system of my own design. So everything you see here is what I'm going to be using to mount, or to create the mounts. I will be only installing 2. Everything you see is the hardware you need to install 4. When I bought this, I'd expected to be able to mount 4, but due to the way the bed is on the F-150, I'm only going to be able to get 2 of them on there, which will be fine. It should be plenty to hold it on. And this can be upper and lower. So upper assembly, I have these 32 by 1 inch. You're going to hold this plate on. Extra washers to hold it on. Lock washers to hold it on. These all come bolt and nut as a set. This is the upper part. Thumb screw, washer for support, lock washer to make sure this thumb screw stays on. So the idea is that this can mount on the truck along with this extra hardware. This is going to go through the top and hold down the toolbox from the inside. When the toolbox is closed, it'll be locked. Toolbox will be secured to it. Previously, I had a system with a very large hole drilled through and a pin and a cotter pin holding it on there. Worked really well. We had to drill really large holes through. I'm going through with smaller holes, even more aesthetically pleasing when it's removed. So all I have is this, which I'm going to be paint black. I got this off of Amazon. That is, I'll put the link in the comments or in the description. And all this other stuff I got from Home Depot. A quick scan of what it is in case you want to maybe get the exact same setup. Nope. Flip that around. There you go. Alright, so I got the plates on. As you can see, this is one of them. Due to the inability to really access the back of this back here on my truck and everything being internal to this, it's having a lot of trouble getting to the hardware, getting the hardware back here. On older model F-150s, I know you can access this full rail. On my model, it's really hard to get to the back area over here because even this stops like real short up here, kind of curves up. So went ahead and got some self-tapping screws, like so. That one, and use that. It's pretty securely on there. You can actually access, if you go from below all the way into the truck up, well, you have to be really skinny and be patient, and I don't have the time right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with this. I do recommend nuts and washers if you can manage to get them on there, depending on your setup. All right, here's the final product. As you can see, I have my 2 locking bolts right there. I'm probably gonna, since I'm using self-tapping screws now, probably gonna add 2 more plates here just for extra security. I'll do that later, now that I have my full setup done. So, at this point, it's as simple as this. There we go. Now toolbox can be removed. So, obviously this is my plan. Use whatever plan you want. But hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.